Hello creatives, welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode I will be teaching you on how you can create a simple Lovelyn beauty hub salon poster design with your Android smartphone. And the app we are going to be using for this tutorial is called Pixellab. So kindly go on Play Store. If you don't have it, go on Play Store and type Pixellab and you hit on downloads. Now, if you don't love the version of Pixellab found in Play Store, you want to be using my version, I will drop the link in the description of this particular video. So, without wasting much of our time, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please take your time, subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell, and please let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any part of the video. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. Now before we want to start creating this particular flyer, the first thing you need to ask yourself as a creator is that what is there. Let me say we are creating this for a client. Okay, let's say you are creating it for a client. The first thing we need to ask is that what is the size of what we want to create. Like, let me say we are creating a lovely beauty hub salon poster design. So the first question is, what is the size of the salon poster? That's the first question. Aside, you know all the principle, you know everything. Yes, that's the first question. And now the second question is that what are the fonts are we going to be using to pass out our message? Remember, every flyer is to pass out a message. Even if you are a motion designer like me, I'm a motion designer. Even if you are a motion designer, your motion designs, your motion videos is to pass out a message. You are a web developer, your website is to pass out a message. Now, before passing out this message, you need to know your target audience. You need to know the kind of people you are creating your motion, your graphic, and your web design. You need to know your target audience. So I'll make a talk. I'll do a talk on how I create my designs from start to finish, how I interact with clients, how I talk with people that want me to work for them. I will make a talk on that in another video. So to cut the whole story short, we will just dive into this tutorial. Now the size of this flyer, we are going to be using 1280 pixel by 1280 pixel. Okay, that's what we are going to be using. And the font, we are going to be using Montserrat, because as a professional creator, you need to know the kind of fonts you are using when you want to pass out a message using graphic, web, and animation, because not all fonts works for all project. There are some fonts that work for this kind of there are some font that works for a particular project, and there are also some font that does not really work for some kind of project. So for this tutorial we are going to be using Montserrat. Okay, we are going to be using Montserrat. So let's go. I will clear my workspace. Now I told you that we are going to be using 1280 pixel by 1280 pixel. So I will go to my page setup, my page icon, where I can actually insert my page color, my page size, and everything. So before doing that, let me first of all import our reference album. I will locate the folder where I have that particular flyer we are going to be creating in this episode. Yeah, we have our reference here. So I'll go to my page setup. This is my page setup. It is also called a background tool or page tool. So I'll go to my image size. Yeah, we already have 1280 pixel by 1280 pixel. Aspect ratio of 1:1. So I'm cool. I will not delete or add anything here. Now if you don't have this dimension, kindly click and edit yours to have 1280 pixel by 1280 pixel. Yeah, so after doing that, I want to, like this, if you check our reference, you see that this is our background color. So I'll go to color. um you check the our reference, you see that I used a gradient color. I use a gradient color to create this particular file. So I already have the gradient color saved here. I'll just share the color code to you, to because I don't want that this particular version of the of this tutorial to be very long. I don't want it to be very long, so that's why I will just be sharing the color code with you. So if you click on color, you see we have color here. This one is called a solid color, while this one is for the gradient color. Now the solid color means one single color, while gradient color means from two colors to infinity. That's what they call the gradient color. So on gradient color, you have the possibility to put more than 20 colors, more than 50 colors, while for solid color, you only have the possibility to insert just one color. So for this tutorial, I use a gradient color, so I have it here. I'll just click on it like that. Now I will share the color code to you, so I'll just click on the plus icon. Now this is called the color stopper. This is another color stopper. This is a color stopper. Now this color stopper carries the color this way, the color on the top, while this other stopper carries the color below. Yeah, you can control where how you want your gradient color to look like. So for this tutorial, I will do something like this. You can also turn it this way, but for this tutorial, I will do something like this. Now on this color stopper, I will click on color. On this our color stopper, then I'll click on color. This is where you can actually insert your own color code, in case if you are not having the same color code with me and you want to do the same thing that I'm doing. So you just click on this icon. Now all color codes in Pixellab are written using uppercase, that is capital letters. But if you are using Photoshop, you can use either capital or small letters. Photoshop accepts it, but for Pixellab only accepts capital letters. Allied Motion accepts capital and small letters if you are a motion designer like me. So here is our hex code. We have 36003E. Please ensure that you are inserting this thing in using capital letters, not small letters. So we have 36003E. Now for the hexadecimal code, which is red, green and blue, we have 54062, but I will advise that you go in for the hex code if you don't want complication. So go in for the hex code, which is 36003E, and you just click on your OK and OK. Now on this other color stopper, you click on it and you click on color. You click on this edit icon, pen icon, and here you have your hex code. While this you have your hexadecimal code. For the hexadecimal, we have 930107. While for the hex code, you have 5D006B. I repeat again, 5D006B. Yeah, so if you don't have this, you click on it like that, you edit it and type what you are saying here, 5D006B. So after doing that, you just click on your OK. You click on OK. Perfect. Now if you want to swap, okay, now let me click on this color stopper. If you want to add more stoppers, you click, are you seeing, you click on this icon. This icon is used to add more stoppers inside your gradient interface. To delete the stopper, you just click on this minus. Perfect. Now to swap, you swap your stopper here. Yeah, this is where you can actually swap it. Perfect. That's it. So after doing that, I'll just click on my OK. Now let me show you something. If you have something like this, let me say you are having something like this, just click on this N, take it this way, and click on this other side, bring it this way, in case you are not having the same interface with me. So just do it this way so that you are going to be in the same phase. Okay, now after doing that, you just click on your OK and OK. Perfect. Now I will be bringing in my resources. So I'll just go to import. Yeah, let me first of all bring this. So I'll just go to my relative position. Yeah, I have something like that. I'll send to back. I'll just send to back. Then I'll go to my layer. I'll close it like that. Perfect. Now I mesh everything because I don't want this particular version of tutorial to be long, but I will show you on how I was able to achieve this step by step. Now the next thing that I will bring in my workspace, I will bring in my model. So I'll just go to import like that. I'll just go to my relative position and position it. I mesh everything because I don't want this particular version of tutorial to be very long. Yeah, I have something like that. So now I'll go to my shape. I'll take take it like this, position it, arrange it like that. I'll, as seen on the reference, to round these corners, I'll just increase my radius. Yeah, then change there. I'll go to solid color. I'll apply this color as my solid color. So I'll go back to my layer. Now you see that these images, this shape is on top of this particular of this our models. So I'll just center it. Yeah, I'll center it like that. Then I'll go to my layer panel. I'll just click on it. Yeah, so this is this our image shape. This is it here. So and this that our models. This is a layer here. So I'll just click and take it on top of this our shape. Yeah, that's it. So if you don't want to do it that way, you can also do send to back and bring to front. Perfect. So I'll position. Yeah, I'm okay. So I'll just bring to front our reference. um Now let's see, we are here. Services. So I'll go to my type tool, my text tool. I'll go to text. I'll just double click, or you click on edit. So I saved our services inside my clipboard. Yeah, I have something like that. So I'll just click on OK. I'll click on OK. Then scale it down. I'll just change, give it a color black. Good. I'll scale it down. I'll bring it down like that. Then I'll go to my align. I will give a center alignment. Yeah, like that. So you have skincare, makeup, fixing of nails, fixing of hairs, hair breathing, fixing of eye, fixing of hair breathing, fixing of eyelashes. So fixing of eyelash. I'll just delete this. Yeah. Yeah, we have skincare, makeup, fixing of nails, fixing of hairs, hair breathing, fixing of eyelashes. We are going to be using Montserrat, as I earlier said that we are going to be using Montserrat for this particular tutorial. Montserrat. Yeah, we are going to be using Montserrat bowl. I will just relative position it to the center. Now I will create this shape. So I go to my object tool, shape. I will just do it like this. I'll first of all change the color for visibility. So I'll do something like that. I'll take it this way. Yeah, I'm good to go. So after doing that, I'll go to my layer panel. I'll just close it. Perfect. So I'll type services. Services copy. I'll just type services. Services. I'll just place this here or make a copy, a duplicate. Services. Services. I'll capitalize everything. Change the color. I'll change the color back to this color. Then I'll just scale it. Yeah, then position. After scaling it, I will just position it to the center. Perfect. Yeah, so I will relative position that to the center. Let's say we have this. Now for this number, I'll just scale it up. Then I'll change the color for visibility. I'll go back to I want to change the font width. I'll go back to Montserrat. This time around, I will not use bold. So Montserrat. I will not use bold. I will use semi bold. Yeah, I'm good to go. So I'll use semi bold. Scale it down a bit. Perfect. So after doing that, I will just import my call and WhatsApp icon. So I'll go to this tool, click on it. I'll go to import call and WhatsApp. Call and WhatsApp icon. Call and WhatsApp icon. So I'll just go to download. Yeah, I have the WhatsApp icon here. So I'll just import, change the color. But first of all, scale it down a bit before changing the color. I will go to color. I'll enable it like that. Then change it to white. Yeah, I'm good to go. So I'll just make a duplicate for to I will click on crop. I want only this scroll icon. So instead of me going back to my gallery, import and with all the stress of importing the call icon to go and look where I have a call icon and importing it, I will just do some little tricks here to just come out only with this icon here. So I'll go to crop. I'll try to do something like this. Perfect. Yeah, I'll just click on my check mark. Yes, so I've cropped the other area. I'm left with only the call icon. So I'll just scale it down. I'll position it here. Yeah, that's a shortcut. Not, you don't need to be going every time to your gallery to go and be importing things. There are things that you can just crop and remove, then use it. That's where professionality comes in. Yeah, I'm good to go. So after doing that, we have Lovelyn Beauty Hub. So I'll just copy this. I'll type Lovelyn. I'll just type Beauty Hub. Beauty Hub. Beauty Hub. I'll capitalize each word, the first letter. So sorry. I'll go back to edit. Beauty Hub. Beauty Hub. Beauty Hub. I'll click on OK. I'll change the color to this. I'll change the color to color white. So I'll go to fonts. I'll go to fonts. Beauty Hub. Beauty Hub. I will use Anthem Pride. So kindly go on dafont.com and type Anthem Pride for you to actually download the font. But I also have a video that teaches you on how you can download a font using dafont.com or Google Fonts. So after clicking Anthem Pride, I'll just click on my OK. Yeah, I'll just do something. I'll just increase it like that. Then I will make a duplicate. Type Lovelyn. 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 Sorry, I will capitalize everything. Lovelyn. I will change the fonts. I'll just use Montserrat. Montserrat. I'll go in for Montserrat's bowl. Yeah, Montserrat's bowl. Montserrat's bowl. I'll centralize this beauty hub. Centralize this Lovelyn. I'll go to my. I want to give it a color, but if you see on the original design, you see that I used a gradient color here. So I'll just go to color gradients. I'll click on this like that. I'll go to my stopper, click on it, go to color. I'll pick a color from here, from our color wheel. Yeah, then I'll come on this other color stopper. I'll click on color, arrange it like this, like that. So for the yellow, I'll reduce the yellow again a bit. Yeah, I'll go in for something like this. I'll just reduce the line spacing, the spacing, sorry, the letter spacing. Yeah, then I will centralize everything like that. So we are done already. We are done creating this flyer. We are done. We have Lovelyn Beauty Hub. Yeah, that's it. Services, skincare, makeup, fixing of nails, fixing of hairs, and hair braiding, fixing of eyelashes. Now you can contact this number in case if you need Lovelyn Beauty Hub services. Um, Now, if you don't know, let me show you on how I was able to. First of all, let me log this layer. Let me show you on how I was able to create these shapes and insert images into it. So you just go to your shape, you scale it to something like that. Now, if you check the edges on the original design, you see that the edges are not solid; they are rounded in nature. So I'll just go to my radius. Perfect. I'll do something like that. I'll click on my OK. So after doing that, I'll go to texture to actually insert an image into that particular shape. So I'll click on it like that. I'll go in for 1:1 since our image is a square. I have a tutorial which will guide you on how you can insert images into different kind of shapes using Pixellab. The trick that you need to study, that you need to know when and where to insert an image in a particular kind of shape using Pixellab. So I'll just click on my check mark. Yeah, I have it like this. Now, if your image is repeating inside your shape, just scale it. Now if I take it, you see how the image is repeating, so you just scale it. Perfect. You just scale it. Let me insert it again. You click on your check mark. Yeah, I have this. This is it. So for you to actually have this stroke, you just go to your stroke. You enable it. Your stroke width, you can add your stroke width to any level of your choice. So I'll just change the stroke color to white. Yeah, that's it. So when I have a shape like this already, and on the original design, you see that all the shapes have the same sizes, so I don't need to be going back and creating another shape. I'll just, to save time and energy, I'll just be duplicating the one that I created. I'll just be duplicating it and change the model in each of the shape. So I'll just click on this, come to texture. I'll just delete and insert another one. So I'll click on this 1:1. I'll click on my check mark. Perfect. So I also click on this. I'll go to texture. I'll delete the existing image found inside a particular shape here. Then I'll insert another. So let's say I want to insert these models. I'll just click. I'll go in for 1:1. I'll click on OK. If your image is repeating, you just scale it. Perfect. So you see that is very easy. It's very easy for you to create different shapes. You position them very well and insert images into it, with coupled with their stroke, if in case they are having stroke. So that is what I did to actually have these different images fitted into these different shapes, into these shapes that you are seeing. Now for this effect, I downloaded this effect on Pinterest, but I will drop all the resources in the description of this video. So let me show you on how I was able to achieve this effect. So I'll go to import. import album. Let me locate where I have that particular. Okay, I downloaded it using Pinterest. So I'll go to, I have it inside Pixellab. Okay, this is pin. Yeah, this is it here. So I'll just click import it. Let me use 4:3 for the sake of this tutorial. I'll click on OK. I'll click on this check mark. I'll scale it like this, then position it around this area. I'll send to back, then go to my layer. I will bring it in front. First of all, let me show you something, how I was able to first of all create that particular shape. So I'll go to my shape, just do something like this. I'll scale it like this, then send to back. Yeah, that is how I was able, just send to back like that. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. So I have the shape here. Then on this our resources, I'll just bring it in front of this our shape, then go to my opacity. I'll just decrease the opacity. Sorry, let me go back to, yeah, I'll just decrease the opacity to something like that. So that is how I was able to achieve that particular effect. So I'll go back to my layer panel. I'll just close it. Perfect. So that is that for this tutorial. Please, if you are a new, so if you are a new member watching this video, make sure you watch my video till the end. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe now. Hit the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you if I drop awesome content like this. And please let me know in the comment section if this particular video was helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section how this video impacted your life, and let me know the kind of tutorial you want me to create next. So this is the end of today's tutorial. Bye bye. I will see you in my next tutorial.